Broadleaf weeds are an issue of ongoing and increasing concern for Saskatchewan livestock producers. Absinthe, easily recognized by its strong sage smell and leaf shape, and common tansy, recognized by its leaves and yellow flower buttons, are two noxious weeds in Saskatchewan. Both are prolific seed producers, capable of spreading across significant areas and displacing desirable forages. Eradicating and controlling these weeds can be difficult. Cultivation is usually not practical in perennial pasture. Mowing prior to seed production does provide some control but will not eradicate established plants. Cattle sometimes graze portions of these weeds, but increased consumption may lead to animal health issues. Landowners are often limited to herbicide use as an effective control method, but broadcast herbicide application damages desirable legumes like alfalfa. A possibly effective but not commonly used method of herbicide application is wiping a concentrated herbicide solution directly onto the target weeds. The Saskatchewan Forage Council, in partnership with Ducks Unlimited Canada and Saskatchewan Ministry of Agriculture forage specialists, implemented a demonstration of weed wiping for pasture weed control. The objective of the project was to demonstrate a less commonly used application method, using two different types of wiping equipment available to producers, and observe if currently registered herbicides would provide sufficient weed control when wiped onto target weeds. The two models included in this demonstration were a rope wick and a rotating drum wiper. The front-mounted rope wick uses a large PVC tube to hold the herbicide solution. A rope threading in and out of the PVC tube is then saturated with a gravity-fed solution. The rotating drum pulled behind the quad is covered in a specialized synthetic carpet-like material. The carpet is wetted through spray nozzles found along the drum in a covered boom. Absinthe and common tansy lend themselves well to wiping application as they can grow taller than the underlying desirable forage plants. It is important to maintain a height difference of at least 6 inches between the desirable forages and the target weeds. This height separation will help protect desirable forages from herbicide damage and is best achieved by grazing the field immediately prior to application. In this demonstration, the rope wick showed only marginal effectiveness in controlling absinthe and tansy. The kill rate was estimated at 15 to 30% across the 3 sites. The rope wick also offered no opportunity to turn the equipment off once the pipe was filled. In comparison, the rotating drum achieved significant weed kill, with approximately 80% of the target weeds being controlled. Other advantages included the easy clean-out of the equipment and the opportunity to stop the equipment without herbicide solution dripping off the carpet. A potential drawback of the rotating drum is the greater initial equipment cost compared to the rope wick. The demonstration project confirmed some of the benefits of wiping, with the main advantage being the selectivity with which the herbicide can be applied. Wiping generally also uses less herbicide and fresh water compared to broadcast application. Producers will need to research which type of wiping equipment would be most beneficial to their situation. To find out more about this project and the equipment and herbicide used, or about invasive plant species control, visit the Saskatchewan Forage Council website, saskforage.ca. You can also visit the Saskatchewan Ministry of Agriculture website to find the forage specialist for your region and other forage-related resources.